Welcome back to English class, the at home edition. Today, looking at our workbook. Last time we read a story about Second Life. Today we're moving on to page 83. So we're doing the writing part. Exercise 5 is complete the speech bubbles with your own suggestions. So number 1, we have the boy saying, "I'm bored." So the girl will respond, "Why don't we?" And this can be anything you want it to be. Your idea. Why don't we play a game? Why don't we go to the park? Why don't we watch a movie? Anything that you can think of. Why don't we? Number 2. He likes gadgets. Let's again, your suggestions for someone who likes gadgets. Number 3, I'm hungry. How about you should probably suggest about some kind of food. Yeah, how about we, because there's 2 of them, how about we eat something like that? Any kind of food will do. Number 4, it's too hot today. Let's I'm sure some of you can relate when it's too hot because Thailand can be hot outside. Very often, it's too hot. So what do you do when it's too hot? Let's your suggestion. Think about yourself. What do you do when it's too hot? Just like the others about being bored and hungry. Liking gadgets is a little more difficult. You can look back in your book about gadgets. That should help you. Part 6. Imagine you are writing an email to your new friend. Tell him or her about the things that you like or don't like, and the things you hope or decide to do. Use the verbs in the box. Let's take a look. Like, hate, want, hope, and decide. So use these as much as possible. When you're talking about liking something, if you don't like it, you might say the word hate. I like English, but I hate math. That would be an example. Maybe you like cold weather, but hate when it's too hot. Like and hate, pretty much opposites. Something you want. Maybe it's something you want to do. Remember, you're telling your friend in this email about things you hope or decide to do. Something you're hoping for, pretty close to wanting. I want a new phone. Hopefully, that's hope. Hopefully my mom buys me one. So wanting and hope are also very close. I want it to be Saturday. I hope there's good weather on Saturday. Hoping and wanting. And decide. Something you might decide to do. Could be related to something you hate. I hate science class. So I decided to get a tutor. So we're going to use those for the email. Remember, they are a new friend. So they probably don't know a lot about you. But you can put many details in here. Obviously, you have your name, from, and to. You can give your new friend a name. And the subject. Subject does not mean English or geography. It means what the letter is about. You could say it's likes and dislikes. Or it could be a greeting. Hi, it's your new friend, BB. So something like that could be your subject. So you will write this email. Try to use those verbs as much as you can. Like is pretty easy because there's many things that you like. Could be subjects at school. Could be friends. I like Jim, but I hate Tommy. Food and candy. I like Mentos, but I hate Kit Kat. I like ice cream, but I hate Binsu. That's true for me. I like fish, but I hate sushi. So food works very well, like and hate. At the bottom, we can just check these things. We can make suggestions, as we did at the top of the page. Expressing opinions and purpose. And before we used to and enough, and we wrote an advertisement. So there we can check those boxes, as we do with every unit. Next, we'll be moving on to Unit 10. So this is the end of this lesson and the end of this unit. Soon we will be finished and we'll be having a vacation. So until then, take care. Keep being safe, wearing your masks, practicing your social distance. Goodbye for now.